Hi guy, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. These two vehicles accidentally squeezed past each other on a bridge barely wide enough for one. Unfortunately, the white car got nudged into the river. Fortunately, the river is small and shallow, so everyone's safe and sound. That concrete bump turned into a launch pad, sending vehicles airborne like they're in a stunt show. When the truck is carrying steel coils, sudden braking is very dangerous. The steel coil rolls by inertia into the truck's cabin because the weight of the steel coil is more than 10 tons. Steel curls up when a truck brakes suddenly. The inertia is very intense. But have you ever thought why the driver doesn't put the steel coil horizontally? Is this safer? In fact, placing steel coils horizontally on this truck is difficult to install and transport, and it's easy to roll the steel and cause serious damage. And steel coils made at high temperatures will have a tension after completion. If you place the steel coil horizontally on the vehicle, the truck encounters a bumpy road, which can easily cause the steel coil to release its tension immediately. This is very dangerous. So when people encounter this type of steel coil truck on the road, avoid it and keep a safe distance from it. The truck carrying hundreds of bottled water lost control and tipped over in the middle of the highway. The police and fellow drivers quickly jumped in to clean up and prevent a traffic jam. Man is openly cheating the truck's weight scale. Talk about taking weighing into a whole new level. There's definitely something extra slippery on this road. There's no way two vehicles would coincidentally lose control at the exact same spot otherwise. In situations like this, there's no need to rush, and overtake patience is key to avoiding a potential disaster. This truck driver clearly missed the memo on the height restriction sign. Looks like they were aiming for a new record in how low can you go. With the green light about to expire in just 1 second, this truck decided to ignore it and make a last-minute dash talk about living life on the edge. The black car broke the rules by trying to turn from the wrong lane, and the consequences hit almost immediately. Instant karma in action. That tire is clearly out of commission, but this guy is giving it one last shot by tying some ropes around it. Talk about a DIY fix, sometimes you've just got to improvise. This elderly gentleman tried to ride his tricycle through a rushing stream and got swept away. Luckily, the water wasn't deep and the current wasn't strong, so he was pulled safely to shore. The cargo of this truck is on fire, creating a thick cloud of smoke that's turning the sky into a smoky haze. The truck on the right, trying to make a left turn, clearly isn't in the right lane. It's in the far right lane and still wants to go left. Wow, the truck cabin seems like it's given up trying to put out the fire. It's beyond saving at this point. This driver is so engrossed in their phone that they're basically using it as a GPS for disaster. The white car switched lanes without signaling talk about keeping everyone on their toes and adding a little extra excitement to the drive. All it takes are 2 homemade tires and a small truck to move that gigantic excavator. Human ingenuity at its finest, right? The wheel loader is trying to hold the crane in a precarious balancing act. The truck accidentally drove through a flood, creating a river right underneath it as the water surged through the gap. The truck, with its height nearly touching the ceiling, is driving right down the middle of the lanes, definitely a risky move for everyone on the road. After knocking down that fence while backing up, this couple decided to make a hasty getaway. Clearly, they weren't sticking around for the cleanup. Usually it's the wheel loader coming to the rescue of an off-road vehicle, but today we've got a plot twist. The off-road vehicle is playing hero and rescuing the wheel loader. What kind of massive collision could possibly turn a truck cabin into this mangled mess? Every day, it seems like there's a new car fire making headlines, so before you hit the road, make sure you've got at least one fire extinguisher in your vehicle. After all, you don't want to be the next hot topic in the news, do you? The sound of this wheel loader speaks volumes about its engine's power. It's like the machine is announcing, "I'm here and I mean business." At first glance, it seems like we're witnessing a dramatic rescue scene, a truck teetering on the edge of a ditch with a mighty wheel loader coming to the rescue. But hold on, surprise. These are actually two incredibly detailed toy models. Who knew miniatures could make such thrilling drama? It's like Hollywood special effects, but for your tabletop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like. And if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.